Boozhoo, this is week 14 of second step. This really is, we're halfway through because there's 28 weeks. So in week 14, we're going to be talking about, once again, feelings. Like, remember last time it was about, being sad or happy? Well, now we're going to go into a little bit more of the strong feelings, like frustration. And knowing how to calm down helps your child not only to learn at school, but to learn at home. Because when you're really frustrated, it's hard to learn anything. You just get mad, you get frustrated. And so one of the things you can do at home, as far as like playing like a little game, like maybe it's a hard puzzle or zipping your jacket. So if you know your child is practicing zipping the jacket and you see them getting frustrated, say, okay, now we're going to freeze. What should we do? Let's take a big deep breath. Put your hands on your tummy, say, calm down. Take a big breath, and let's count to 5. Boozhoo, nisway, niwen, nanen. Now let's try it again. I will help you, because children, it's just part of we get frustrated. Even as adults, we get frustrated. And just think about that big deep breath, because you see people do it all the time. Adults do it all the time when they get upset about something. And sometimes taking that moment to take a breath and think about what you're going to say, because once you say it, it's hard to take it back. So take a big breath and then maybe say it if you're supposed to. Sometimes we're not supposed to say anything at all, but I'm just saying. Okay, so this is the picture you're going to get sent home today. This is the home link page. These are called home links. And this is a little girl called Tatiana. Now, you ask your child, how do you think Tatiana feels? Look at her face. How does her face look? And they've learned this at school, so they'll say, oh, she looks like she's frustrated because she's trying to learn to tie her shoe. Now, granted, most shoes these days are Velcro, but it's still, when we get frustrated, what can we do? We put our hands on our tummy, say, calm down, take a big breath, and count to 5. Boozhoo, nisway, niwen, nanen. Feel yourself calm down. And another thing that, Miss J, I love is any kind of art or Play-Doh or sensory sand. Any of that stuff, your child will just get lost in it. If you need any of that stuff, we have paints, we have paper, we have paintbrushes, all those things at home. So if you're ever out, all those things at school, if you're ever out at home, please call me and I can get you some supplies. Because to me, art therapy for children is so calming. You can see it in the classrooms when they're doing any of that. We have homemade Play-Doh recipes too, which are awesome, especially warm Play-Doh. Kids will play for hours. And if you have something to do, at home that you really need to do, you save those things, put them at the kitchen table, and let them do it while you're trying to get something done. I'm telling you, it's like almost like another babysitter at times because they will be enthralled in it. So I hope this helps. Give me a call if you need anything. And I hope you have a great week. Take care. Gigawabamin. Creator loves you.